Hey guys, welcome back. It's your Sunny Trainer Sydney, and I'm back today with a 10-minute rowing drills workout. This is an awesome workout to add into your regular routine and would be a great way to warm up before your regular rowing workout or add into your routine a few times a week just to continue being mindful about your mechanics as you're rowing. The great thing about rowing is whether you're a beginner or advanced, every stroke is different. So if you have a bad stroke, a bad drive, a bad catch, you can always make it up in the next stroke. So it's really important to continually be mindful about your form and your mechanics as you're rowing and as you become a stronger and better rower. So today we're going to start with some drills. So strap into your rower and grab onto that handlebar with a nice and light grip. We don't want to give it a death grip and spend too much of our energy gripping on that handlebar. We want to save our energy for our strokes. All right, so we're going to start out today with an arms only drill. So extend those legs all the way back. Nice upright posture with a slight lean back. We should be right around 11 o'clock. Abs are nice and engaged. And we are just going to stroke with those arms. Straight in and straight out. Good. Drop the shoulders and really squeeze those lats in the back. As you're pumping those arms, really be mindful just to relax your elbows. You don't really need to keep them in too tight to your body, but we're not trying to bow them out either. Just keep them nice and relaxed and natural. Great job. All right, let's release. Our next drill today is going to be legs only. Now, legs are super important because they are the primary driver of our row. So we're going to keep our arms fully extended here. When you're first at the catch position, you should be right around a 1 o'clock. So you can see that my abs are still tight and I have a nice and straight spine, but I am leaning slightly forward. I'm going to drive with just those legs to push back. And I end right at that 1 o'clock where we would usually catch our arms. Okay, so coming back, keeping those arms straight and drive with the legs. Let's do it again. All right, so keep practicing this. Keep pushing with those legs. Nice and powerful through the legs. We don't want to lock them out when we get into full extension. Good. All right, last but not least, we're going to practice a power stroke. So basically, we're going to be focused on the drive of the row here. So I am going to be incorporating my arms. We're going to be using our legs, and we're going to have a nice and easy recovery to return back to our starting position. So big drive back, incorporate the arms, and return to starting nice and easy. Good job. Really focus on driving through those pedals. Strong through those legs and through the back. Great job. All right, we're going to start from the top of those drills once again. So now that you kind of know what we're doing, we're going to go back and practice. So let's go back to arms only. Arms are fully extended. Remember, nice and easy grip. Slightly lean back. And pulling with those arms straight in and straight out. Great job. That bar should come right around your lower rib cage there. Squeeze those lats in the back. Great job. A few more. Last one. Great. Okay, next up, legs only. So arms are fully extended. We're going to hold those right there. Working on big, powerful pushes with those legs. If you want, you can incorporate that upper torso there. So starting at a 1 o'clock position and ending at an 11 o'clock. Great. Nice and powerful. Push with those legs. Last one. Okay, last but not least, a power stroke. We're gonna do one more round of power stroking and then we'll just go into a nice full stroke and start working on our rhythm, all right? So power stroke, we're focusing all on the drive, big drive back. Squeeze it back with that upper body. About 20 more seconds here. Great job. Nice and powerful. Okay, and rest for a few seconds. Next up, we're going straight into a regular full stroke. So throughout our stroke, we really want to focus on getting into a rhythm. So as you're regularly rowing, we're still going to be powerfully pushing back. We're not going to pause at the back here. We're going to have a nice and easy recovery. Your recovery will likely be a little slower than the drive phase because we are putting all of our energy and effort into that drive, so that's totally natural. So this is a great time to just find a rhythm and a pace that feels good to you and keep working on that. All right, so let's get started. Be quick on that return. It's called the catch when your handlebars are right here. Really want to make sure that you get a good catch so that you're ready for the drive on the next stroke. Nice rhythm. Let's really work up some momentum here. Nice work, keep it up, right about 30 more seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Great job, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick drill session and warm-up. I hope you guys had a good time learning more about proper rowing technique. We'll see you guys next time.